loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
Show me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
To represent the size of the earthquake. Yesterday, the biggest was a 6.4. Today, the biggest is a 7.1.
Okay, love, so this wig review is going to be super quick. Why? Because your girl and her family just had not one, but two earthquakes back to back. So your girl's a little shook up, all right? If you live in California, you guys already know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of go through this wig review very quickly, just because it's not much I have to say about this unit anyway. So let's just jump right into the deets. So this unit is courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. They were kind enough to send your girl this unit right here. So this unit is from their Sis Sister Wig line. It is a 360 lace free part. It says it has a deep and wide lace, 13 by 4 inches. It's in the style 360 lace H Jill, and it's in the color Tint Tip Purple. So this is what the stock card looks like. This is the Tint Tip Purple. They also show you the various colors that they have. So if you are not a fan of this color, there is like the pink option, the orange option, aqua green, and blue as I drop this. And so yeah, it says same color tinted on the root and the tip. So that is what it means. So it's dark up here, and then it gets lighter, and then it gets dark at the bottom. So this unit is a natural silky yaky texture, as well as there is lace in the front and the back. There is lace that's on the side, but it is pre-cut, so you can't really see it, but it does have like an elastic band with like lace on top of it, as well as it's available, like I told you guys, in 6 different colors. This unit is actually set to release in mid-July, so by the time this video comes out, it should be at the same time that the unit is releasing for you guys. So if the link is not down in the description box, just keep checking and I will update it as soon as the wig is available for purchase. So looking at the stock card, I also noticed that you can put this unit in a sleek ponytail because there is lace, you know, all the way around. So yeah, I chose not to put the unit in a ponytail just because I didn't feel like it. I wanted you guys to get the full look of what the hair looks like. Now, for my personal thoughts about this unit, this unit is not one of my favorites. For whatever reason, I'm just not vibing with it. And if I'm being completely honest, I wasn't really vibing with it when I got to choose which color I wanted to be sent. Just because the concept is cool, but it's just not my flavor. I guess that's what you could say. Like, yeah, the colors are cool, but I just don't see myself wearing this every day. Nor do I see myself like wearing it to work or pretty much anywhere. I'm not to be funny, but yeah, the purple I did think was the better color option for myself, so that's why I chose it. But I don't know, I just can't, just not feeling it. Like, I do like the unit, so I will say that if the unit came in like a natural color and a 1B, a 2, even if it came in, what is it, when it's black but it has like the highlights, I would like that better. But I do like the feel of the unit. I like the texture of it. I even like that I can kind of do this throw over look. So as you guys saw, I tried to do like the throw over look. I tried to do the hair parted in the middle, but yeah, I think I'm just not feeling it, so it's just not working out for me in my head. So it may or may not reflect on camera, but yeah, I tried, y'all. I tried. Can't win them all, okay? But you guys let me know what you guys think about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this color, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.